In this video, we will show you how to connect OpenAI with Google Sheets. It's very useful with some script. You can connect your Google Sheets account with OpenAI. And in here, it's free. You don't need any credit card, debit card, or any penny here. Okay. Then you can create the comment. For example, like this. This is the full comment, but actually you don't need all of this. You need just to type comment with string. Okay, for example, I will type one comment again in here, and with string, of course, we start with quotes or double quotes in here. Explain in short about Facebook, for example. And in here, all have the description. Prompt, this is the comment, and optional, this is for temperature. One is super creative. You can also type with 1, 0, or default to 0.4. Okay, let's using 1, of course, but you can let it by default. Okay, for example, let's see the result. We can click tab here. Don't see this because this is still loading. Okay, you can see there. Facebook is a social media platform that allows users to connect with friends. Of course, you can also see if you change the temperature into 1 with super creative, and this is most used by people. Okay, let's see the result again. And of course, after I show you the demo, we will create from scratch how to do this. Okay, and in here, to do this, to connect your OpenAI with your Google Sheets, it's very easy. Just open your Google Sheets. Okay, let's create from scratch. We will create from blank page for our Google Sheets. Okay, in here, maybe it's better using longer cells, and for the format, I will using wrapping. Okay, I will wrapping all of this column. Okay, wrap, and the number second, I don't want to see the ruler or grid lines. Okay, so we can type the comment from OpenAI and get the result with free of the text, more space here. Okay, and the number second, you need to click extensions and choose app script. Okay, this is your app script, and after you creating app script here, this is still blank, and it's better you give the name of your spreadsheet or Google Sheets. For example, my OpenAI. Okay, so when you want to open your Google Sheet with OpenAI, you can just open this document. And after you creating app script, you can rename also. This is OpenAI Connect, for example. I click rename, and then you can delete all this function. Then you can get the script to connect your OpenAI with your Google Sheets. I will put this link into video description or pinned comments, just on these two place, not in another place. And you can get the script, and it's better you click raw here, and so you can copy all of this code without disturbing view. Okay, then paste into your OpenAI Connect with app script you just create earlier, and paste in here. Now this is enter your secret key here. Okay, I will put the string because we need to input our secret key. Where is you can get secret key? It's free and don't need any credit, debit card, or any penny here. You can get your secret key on platform www.openai.com/account/apks. If you don't have the account, you need to register, and you can click the personal account and you can click view apks. For example, I will create new one. Let's create new secret key. Okay, we can copy this and we can click OK. Then you can go to back to your app script. Then you can paste the secret key here and click save project. After you save the app script, actually you done to creating and connecting your Google Sheets with OpenAI. After that, in here we can using the AI command to give some comment from OpenAI. Okay, for example, equal AI. Okay, then brackets. There is prompt, temperature, and model. We just using shortest terms. Okay, for example, we just using prompt. Okay, explain in short about operating system, for example. Operating system. Okay, and we can hit tab or enter here. Still loading. Just wait. Okay, an operating system or OS is set our software, and you can see the difference if you are using complete terms. Okay, let's paste the comment. Okay, this is the comment. Let's paste into the number 4, and we will try to using the full comment in here. Okay, operating system and using temperature. Okay, we using 1. If you can see the description, 1 is super creative while 0 is very exact and precise. Maybe the super creative mean is unique. I think just that. Okay, then we can using model also to using text DaVinci, because the text DaVinci is string, we using double quotes also. Just copy this and we will see the different after that. Okay, just copy this and paste in here, and let's see the different in shortest comment and for the longest comment one. And this is regular comment and this is super creative. Okay, you can see there. Maybe if you check in the plagiarism tool, this is more unique. And that's all, guys, how to connect the OpenAI with Google Sheets. Of course, you can get the script and open all of the link requirement for this tutorial in video description or pinned comments, just into that. If you don't find in video description, so in pinned comments. And hope this video helpful for you.